Even if you're new to drawing, this is not too hard. This is how to draw all 4 hair types.
The 4 types of hair we're going to be drawing today are straight, wavy, curly, and coily. Start with straight hair. Draw the outside edge. Now find the inside edge. If there's a part, draw that in. Now draw the lines for the major groups. Do not draw individual hairs. Your lines should be long, confident, not shaky. It's important to put fewer lines in than you think you need. Now lightly shade it everywhere, a little bit darker by the ears and the neck, and a little bit lighter at the top. The second type of hair is wavy hair. It's the same concept as before. Draw the outside edge and then the inside edge. You should be drawing large chunks of hair, not individual hairs. Your shading will be under those chunks. Your lines and your shading should be in the direction of the hair itself. The third type of hair is curly hair. Again, I draw the outside edge and then the inside edge. I like to draw all the individual groups of curls, really paying attention to the flow of the hair, the direction of the hair, and then shade the whole thing, keeping it dark by the neck and ears and light on the top. Just like the other hair types, you're not drawing individual hairs, you're just drawing groups of hair. And the fourth type of hair is coily hair. Again, start with the outside edge and then the inside edge. Your line should be very shaky, almost like a controlled scribble. For coily hair, don't do curls and loops. It's more like little Z shapes, little squiggles. After you have the direction for most of it, then you just shade it in. And again, dark by the ears and neck, and keep it light on top. That'll give an overall form. If you like this hair tutorial, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials. Happy drawing!